हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम ए सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। आज के लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को एमसीक्यू ऑन सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग टेक्निक्स बताने वाला हूं, जो कि एमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का फर्स्ट यूनिट है। आज के लेक्चर में मैं आपको 40 एमसीक्यूज कवर करने वाला हूं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वन इज नॉट अ सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग टेक्निक्स? ऑप्शन इज A. Physiologic, B. Machine learning, C. Evaluationary computation, D. Traditional computing. Answer is traditional computing. Second question, which of these are softwares used in civil engineering only? Option A. AutoCAD Tally. Option B. AutoCAD Tally WinEST. Option C. SAP 2000 Tally Excel. Option D. AutoCAD ETAB StatPro. Answer is AutoCAD ETAB StatPro. Question third, GUI mean? Option A. Graphical user interface. Option B. Graphical user intelligently. Option C. Golden user interface. Option D. None of these. Answer is graphical user interface. Question fourth, software is used for steel calculations. Option A. StatPro. Option B. ETABS. Option C. STRAP. Option D. All of these. Answer is all of these. Question fifth, software is used for planning, scheduling, monitoring, controlling the project. Option A. Primavera Pro. Option B. Microsoft Project. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Clear Estimate. Answer is both A and B. Question sixth, automatically update floor plan, levels, section and 3D views. Option A. Estimate Master. Option B. Water GEMS. Option C. BigSCAD. Option D. Revit. Answer is Revit. Question 7. The tools and features that makes a Revit architect are especially designed to support the option A. BIM. Option B. GPI. Option C. GUI. Option D. GPS. Answer is BIM. Question 8. Revit architect is created by option A. Autodesk. Option B. AutoCAD. Option C. Oracle. Option D. CSI. Answer is Autodesk. Question number 9. Software can increase in designing and modeling in every subset of the technological field. Option A. Accuracy. Option B. Productivity. Option C. Efficiency. Option D. All of these. Answer is all of these. Question number 10. Software develops the communication and collaboration between engineer and option A. Users. Option B. Engineers. Option C. Worker. Option D. All of these. Answer is users. Question number 11. The civil engineering design software help in getting accurate solution in dash time so that structure being constructed within schedule, safe and stable. Option A. Long. Option B. Short. Option C. Any. Option D. Not to define. Answer is short. Question number 12. Civil engineering design requires dash memory of computer. Option A. Small. Option B. Large. Option C. Not to define. Option D. None of these. Answer is large. Question number 13. Dash is a collection of software program that use the computer graphical icon and indicators. Option A BIM, option B GPI, option C GUI, option D GPS. Answer is GUI. Question number 14. Computer techniques assist engineers in solving dash problems. Option A linear, option B non-linear, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Answer is both A and B. Question number 15. Software is used for a river analysis system. Clear estimate, HECRAS, Procore, BricsCAD. Answer is HECRAS. Question number 16. ETABS is created by option A Autodesk, option B AutoCAD, option C Oracle, option D CSI. Answer is CSI. Question number 17. ETAB is option A finite element analysis software, option B finite element design software, option C finite element module software, option D none of these. Answer is finite element analysis software. Question number 18. ETABS offer dash user interface to perform the modeling, analysis, design and reporting. Option A double, option B single, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer is single. Question number 19. Microsoft Project is project management software developed and sold by option A Nolan Orefield, option B Oracle, option C Autodesk, option D Microsoft. Answer is Microsoft. Question number 20. Primavera software owned by option A Nolan Orefield, option B Oracle, option C Microsoft, option D Autodesk. Answer is Oracle. Question number 21. Dash is a maker of popular BIM software. Option A Oracle, option B Nolan Orefield, option C Microsoft, option D Autodesk. Answer is Autodesk. Question number 22. Clear estimate software was developed by option A Oracle, option B Nolan Orefield, option C Microsoft, option D Autodesk. Answer is Nolan Orefield. Question number 23. Dash software looks and feel like Excel. Option A WinEST, option B Clear Estimate, option C Procore, option D BricsCAD. Answer is WinEST. Question number 24. BricsCAD software is developed by option A Coon Creek, Bresci NV, CSI, Autodesk. Answer is Bresci NV. Question number 25. Operating systems support the BricsCAD software. Which operating system support the BricsCAD software? Option A Windows, option B Linux, option C Mac OS, sorry, option D all of these. Answer is all of these. Question number 26. Synchronization of database can possible so that multiple people can work in the software even if they are working on different computers. Option A Estimate Master, option B AutoCAD, option C StatPro, option D Revit. Answer is Estimate Master. Question number 27. Following software enables construction terms to monitor and manage centralized estimate, takeoffs, report and contracts. Option A AutoCAD, option B ProEST, option C Revit, option D ArcGIS. Answer is ProEST. Question number 28. Home automation is a part of option A Smart Plan 3D, option B BMS, option C SAP, option D drawing. Answer is Smart Plan 3D. Question number 29. Data logging can be performed by using following software: surveying, BMS, SAP, drawing. Answer is BMS. Question number 30. Which software is used to create and manage accurately designed 3D models? Option A Smart Plan 3D, option B StatPro, option C Construction Scheduling, option D BMS. Answer is Smart Plan 3D. Question number 31. SAP 2000 is a software used for option A for analysis of towers, option B for analysis of dam, option C effective engineering, option D all of these. Answer is all of these. Question number 32. Structural analysis software on cloud is option A Sky CV, option B WinEST, option C Civil 3D, option D StatPro. Answer is Sky Sieve. Question number 33. Structural engineers user with software for analysis and design of a structure. First one is StatPro, RISA, Water GMS, QuickGrid. Answer is StatPro. Question number 34. For hydraulic and water modeling solutions, which software is used? Option A Water GMS, option B RISA, option C STRAP, option D QuickGrid. Answer is Water GMS. Question number 35. Tekla Structures is a software for option A preparation of plan and elevation, option B preparation of models of building, option C building information modeling, option D none of these. Answer is building information modeling. Question number 36. Buildmaster is used for option A steel structural design, option B estimating, option C RCC design, option D none of these. Answer is estimating. Question number 37. Floor planner is a software used for drawing. Option A elevation, option B floor plan, option C section, option D 3D model. Answer is floor plan. Question number 38. STRAP is a software used for option A soil analysis, option B structural analysis, option C canal analysis, option D none of these. Answer is canal analysis. Question number 39. Software program used to set of scattered data point XYZ is option A StatPro, option B Tekla, option C QuickGrid, option D ArcGIS. Answer is QuickGrid. Question number 40. PCA means Principal Component Analysis, option B Principal Computational Analysis, option C Point Column Analysis, option D none of these. आंसर इज प्रिंसिपल component analysis. Sorry, principal component analysis. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को सेकेंड चैप्टर के ऊपर MCQs बताऊंगा. थैंक यू.